Hi there, have you recently tried installing WhatsApp from the Microsoft Store on Windows 11 and it gets stuck? You've tried everything and it still won't install, yet you urgently need WhatsApp on your computer. Here's the easiest workaround. Use WhatsApp Web, and here is how you do it. Simply open your browser, search WhatsApp Web, and follow the steps shown. You can scan the QR code using the phone registered with WhatsApp, or if your phone camera is faulty, use the login with phone number option. And now you're in. You can now send large files directly from your computer, which is very convenient. To access WhatsApp Web easily next time, make sure you bookmark the tab while logged in. This is just an example. Yours should show chats when you do this. Don't forget to follow and like, and if you have any questions, inbox us. See you.